Hello, and welcome to the future of work. No, we don't have flying cars, but what we do have is something even more impactful: allyship. It's a word you might have heard recently, and it's not just a buzzword, it's a catalyst for real, meaningful change. But what exactly is allyship, you ask? It's like being that friend who not only supports you but actively stands up for you when it matters the most. Allyship is about using one's position, privileges, and power to challenge and change the status quo of discrimination and exclusion. Allyship isn't just a concept for the here and now. It's shaping the workplace of today and tomorrow. And here's the kicker: it's not just about fostering a positive, inclusive work environment. It's also about driving real business results. Companies with strong allyship cultures are reaping benefits from improved team dynamics to increased innovation. Sounds amazing, right? So how do we cultivate allyship in our workplaces? I'm glad you asked. It starts with best practices, and we got some of the best of the best. From promoting open dialogue to implementing comprehensive allyship training programs, there's no shortage of strategies to get you started. Training. That brings us to another critical point. We need to incorporate allyship training into our HR practices. It's like going to the gym. You need to train those allyship muscles regularly to see progress. And trust me, the results will be worth it. Now, I know all of this may sound a bit abstract, so let's bring it to life with some real-world examples. Picture a multinational tech giant that saw a surge in innovation and productivity after they started their allyship program. Or a small startup that, thanks to its allyship initiatives, now boasts one of the lowest employee turnover rates in their industry. It's not just theory, it's happening, and it's successful. Of course, like with any journey, there might be bumps along the road, and that's where we come in with our guide on allyship concerns and considerations. We tackle the tough questions, dispel common misconceptions, and offer expert advice to navigate any challenges that may arise. But hey, it's not just about understanding allyship. It's about putting that knowledge into action. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. And don't worry, you're not alone. Together, we'll transform our workplaces into environments where diversity is celebrated, equity is non-negotiable, and everyone feels like they belong. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of allyship? We promise it will be a journey worth taking, a journey towards a brighter, inclusive, and equitable future for all of us. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, it starts with a single step. And that step can start today, right now, with you. Together, let's create a future where we all thrive.